line, nor in the hope the world can show a fitter love for me, is from A. Fire him, B. To autumn, C. Snake, D. Sweetest love, I do not go. आपका सही जवाब है D. Sweetest love, I do not go. That thou lovest me as thou sayest is from A. Snake, B. The soldier, C. Song of myself, D. Sweetest love, I do not go. आपका सही जवाब है D. Sweetest love, I do not go. John Donne is going to, leaving his wife behind. A. Germany, B. France, C. England, D. Italy. आपका सही जवाब है A. Germany. Wants to gladly accept death. A. T.S. Eliot, B. Walt Whitman, C. John Donne, D. John Keats. आपका सही जवाब है C. John Donne. John Donne thinks that is certain. A. Death, B. Life, C. Work, D. Walking. आपका सही जवाब है A. Death. Sweetest Love I Do Not Go is written by A. John Donne, B. Kamla Das, C. D. H. Lawrence, D. Walt Whitman. आपका सही जवाब है A. John Donne. John Donne wants to go away because he is not tired of his A. Father, B. Brother, C. Sister, D. Beloved. आपका सही जवाब है D. Beloved. John Donne is a poet. A. British, B. German, C. American, D. Indian. आपका सही जवाब है A. British. Who was forced to leave Oxford University without a degree? A. Walt Whitman, B. W. H. Auden, C. John Donne, D. None of these. आपका सही जवाब है C. John Donne. Who is well known for his songs and sonnets, satires and elegies and sermons? A. John Donne, B. W. H. Auden, C. Walt Whitman, D. None of these. आपका सही जवाब है A. John Donne. Who will make quicker journeys than the sun? A. John Donne, B. Walt Whitman, C. W. H. Auden, D. None of these. आपका सही जवाब है A. John Donne. My life's blood doth decay is from A. Fire him, B. Snake, C. To autumn, D. Sweetest love, I do not go. आपका सही जवाब है D. Sweetest love, I do not go. John Donne is going to leave behind his while going on his unknown journey. A. Wife, B. Sister, C. Mother, D. Daughter. आपका सही जवाब है A. Wife. But believe that I shall make speedier journeys is taken from A. To autumn, B. Fire him, C. Macavity, the mystery cat, D. Sweetest love the first do not go. आपका सही जवाब है D. Sweetest love, I do not go. Who will make quicker journey than the sun? A. John Donne, B. W. Whitman, C. W. H. Auden, D. T. S. Eliot. आपका सही जवाब है A. John Donne.